Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. I'm on a TaskRabbit gig right now. This gig is pretty simple. Just go pick up like a box and deliver it downtown. This morning I started off at WeWork and I walked all the way here to the pickup location, which is like 2 miles away. So I definitely got some exercise in. So I'm gonna pick this item up, then take the train to deliver it, and then afterwards get some food, and then I'll have another TaskRabbit gig that starts a little bit later in the afternoon. That one should be pretty simple too. It's just going to pick up like a laptop from like a repair shop and deliver it back to the owner, that sort of thing. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Today should be somewhat of a simple day. I'm really glad it's much warmer today. This morning was crazy cold. It was like 38 degrees or something like that. But it didn't feel like it was 38 degrees. It didn't feel like it was the worst thing in the world. But for now, I'm gonna go pick this TaskRabbit item up and get ready to go and drop it off. But yo, let's get this video started. Look what we have here. We have a typical gloomy day in San Francisco. I love days like this for some reason. Good news, all done with my TaskRabbit gig. Now I need to go over to 7-Eleven, to one of those Amazon lockers, and pick up a couple items. My GoPro, this GoPro here, you know, when I was traveling I cracked the screen and I just ordered a replacement, so I'm pretty stoked to pick that up. So that's the next check on the list, and then I got a meeting right after that. This should be really, really fun after I go pick up my Amazon collections for the day or the week or the month, or yeah, it's been a while since I bought something off Amazon. In case of fire, use stairwell. For exit, do not use elevator. Alright, just picked up my box here. Just got my box. I gotta figure out how to exit this place. It's kind of big. But here's the elevator here. No, it's not the elevator I want to take. It's the freight elevator. We're looking for this elevator. Let go. What is out this window? Oh, that's the train station, but I need to take the opposite side, but it's super close. Alright, still got my box. Alright, that's one TaskRabbit gig down. Pretty stoked. A quick 28 bucks. And I guess I did have to pay extra for the train, but no big deal, no big deal. I did not have to take Scoot in the freezing cold. Just fought through a really, really long line, but got some food here. About to go make this dizzle beer. A little bit later in the afternoon now, the sun is going down, and I had to switch hats because the temperature is dropping. The temperature is dropping like crazy. So I'm off on this next gig. This one should be pretty simple. Just go and like pick up an item, deliver an item, and yeah, let's go run around and do that one now. Ooh, vlogging in the elevator, but this is one dope elevator. Check this out. There's an electrical plug on this elevator. Like that's pretty dang cool if you ask me. Amazon locker time. It's always tough to get back there. Okay, you just go scan your code. Alright. Here we go, we got our box. Hours and hours later, let's chit chat really fast. So when I left WeWork after the second TaskRabbit gig, after all the random other things that I did in between those two TaskRabbit gigs, I had this like item that I bought off of Amazon, and I was gonna return it, but this thing was only like 16 bucks, and it would cost $8 to like ship it back, meaning that I would only get about $8 in return. So I thought to myself, is this even worth it? So meanwhile, I was walking around with this freaking box. I went to dinner with this box. After dinner, I met a friend for quick drinks really fast. I ended up giving the freaking box, the thing I ordered off Amazon, the thing that I didn't exactly want to return back to Amazon, but I didn't exactly need it, so I was probably going to return it back to Amazon anyway. Ended up giving it to the bouncer, and that worked out great because I don't have that thing right now. I don't have to worry about shipping it. I don't have to worry about printing a label. I don't have to worry about any of that. It's gone. It's out of my life, and yeah. I don't know why it was just such a big deal, but I felt that that was very important to share. And I'm still walking up steps, like all these freaking steps. Not exactly, yeah, steps are cool. Exercise is okay. Back at the Airbnb now, and I got this little fuzzy thing going on right over here. Am I good? Am I good? Maybe I should shave soon. Maybe I should do that. Some more positive things about the boosted board. Well, I just checked online and looks like my boosted board, my second boosted board will be arriving tomorrow. I'm super stoked. That's one reason why I'm charging up this battery, so I can remember to take this battery with me tomorrow, because, and also to take the charger with me tomorrow too, because tomorrow's gonna be a really fun day if my second boosted board come in. Sure hope it doesn't rain. Cross my fingers that it's not raining. Cross my fingers that it's not, you know, a wind chill of 30 degrees or something like that. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating just a little bit. The wind chill is usually not 30 degrees, but yesterday was pretty dang chilly, and I just hope tomorrow is a little bit warmer so I can go out and ride. I'm really curious to see how many miles I can put on this boosted board. Like, what, 1,000 miles in a month? Can I do that? Like 250 miles a week? Could I put that on a skateboard? I mean, do I want to put that on a skateboard? What am I talking about? I think it's going to be fun to get a new BB. I can't wait to get a new BB, yo, and that's gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be that day. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna get ready to get off here, get ready to do all this over again tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be fun, yo. Tomorrow is gonna be an adventure, yo. An adventure. Peace out.